Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best gold key rings is probably one of the most overlooked accessories we use every day. But a good key ring can make a huge difference in convenience and style. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of gold key rings, exploring different styles, materials, and features to help you find the perfect one for your keys and your lifestyle. Get ready to upgrade your everyday carry with the perfect gold key ring. Number 5. Augsun 100 PCS Gold Swivel Clasps with Key Rings. These Augsun clasps and key rings are crafted from a durable zinc alloy. This ensures they are anti-rust and built to last, providing a reliable solution for your crafting needs. Easily attach your keys or jewelry pendants with these convenient clasps. They provide a secure and simple way to keep your items organized and accessible. Enjoy the utmost flexibility with the 360-degree swivel design. You can rotate it in any direction, making it easy to use and ensuring your item stays securely attached. The gold lobster claw clasps are 31 mm long, with a 1.1 cm inner diameter ring, and the key rings are 2.5 cm in diameter. Its right size is easy to match your handmade crafts projects. These premium swivel snap hooks and key rings are perfect for lanyards, keychains, handbags, and more. They're also great for jewelry making and various DIY projects. Each package includes 50 gold lanyard snap hooks and 50 gold split key rings, totaling 100 pieces. It's a great choice for all your DIY keychain and jewelry projects. What we like. This set offers durable zinc alloy construction, ensuring longevity. Its 360-degree swivel design provides ultimate flexibility. If you're a DIY enthusiast or need a large quantity for multiple projects, this is a great choice. It's perfect for crafting or organizing a variety of items. What people say. They feel really solid and well made, which is crucial for items that will be handled frequently. Very well made and the colors are bright. Easy to use and to put together. Nice gold color so they don't look cheap. Number 4. Golden key rings for keychain, car keys, crafts. This package includes 12 key rings in golden color, or you can pick the golden and silver kits with 24 pieces. They come in two sizes, 1 inch and 1.2 inches in diameter. These key rings are made to meet strict industrial standards, so they will meet your needs. Featuring an imitating gold electroplating surface and a sturdy metal frame, this key ring is built to last. You don't have to worry about rust, and your keys or ornaments will stay securely attached. These round key rings are perfect for organizing your keys, whether they're for your house, car, or just spares. It makes it easier to tell them apart and find the one you need. They're great for DIY crafts, connecting dog collars, lanyards, and more. They're also useful for arranging flashcards or charts. There are so many ways you can use them. The golden color matches easily with different keychains or ornaments. It's a simple and elegant way to keep your keys organized and add a touch of style. What we like. With two size options, it caters to diverse needs. The sturdy, rust-resistant design ensures your keys stay secure. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish way to organize your keys, this is ideal. It's perfect for anyone who values both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. Perfect to upgrade my keys with more durable rings that also have a nice look. Comes with several sizes. Great quality. These come in gold and silver. The sizes vary from large to small. You can use these for a number of things. You can use it to put your dog's name tag on or connect it to a key ring. I bought mine to put on my dog's name tag and they are perfect. Number 3. Honbay KC Gold Keychain Set. Introducing the Honbay KC Gold Keychain Set. This set includes lobster clasps, key rings, and swivel connectors. It's perfect for your DIY keychain and purse charm projects. The keychains are KC gold plated, giving them a beautiful and durable finish. The gold plating adds a touch of elegance to the design, making them stand out. Made from zinc alloy, these keychains are both lightweight and strong. This material is also highly resistant to corrosion, ensuring its longevity. The keychains are a convenient size for everyday use. The ring has a diameter of 30 mm, and the overall length is 67 mm. It's easy to attach and detach your keys. This keychain set is ideal for key hooks and DIY projects. You can easily create personalized keychains or add charms to your purses. It's a versatile and practical accessory. What we like. Featuring KC gold plating and a swivel connector, it adds a touch of elegance. Its lightweight yet strong design makes it practical for everyday use. If you appreciate a sleek and durable key holder, you should consider this. It's great for DIY keychains and purse charms. What people say. These are much nicer and look more upscale. The set I received was very good quality with no defects on the surface or in the mechanism. The separating pin makes it easier to insert the keys on the ring. Number 2. PAXCOO Gold Keychain Rings Kit for Crafts. This kit from PAXCOO includes everything you need for your crafting projects. It comes with keychain rings, jump rings, and screw-eye pins. It's a complete set to get you started. Inside, you'll find a total of 300 gold keychain findings. This generous quantity ensures you have plenty for all your creative endeavors. They are perfect for making keychains and accessories. These key rings are made of high-quality alloy, designed to resist rust and fading. The smooth surface and fine workmanship ensure they are durable and safe to use. The edges won't scratch your hands. The split key rings are about 1 inch in diameter, with a 1-inch extension chain. The jump rings are 3/8 inch, and the screw-eye pins are 5/8 inch long. These sizes are ideal for various DIY projects. The kit includes jump rings and screw-eye pins, making it easy to attach charms. You don't need to struggle with opening them. It simplifies your DIY projects. Use these key rings to organize your keys or create accessories. You can attach beads, dolls, toy models, or tags. The possibilities are endless with this kit. What we like. This kit includes 300 pieces, perfect for extensive crafting. The anti-rust material ensures your creations last. If you're into crafting or need a comprehensive set for various projects, this is the one. It's designed to make your DIY projects simple and enjoyable. What people say. They are high quality and looked beautiful. These are sturdy and well organized with the chain links already attached to the key ring. The eye loop was perfect size and the adapter was well aligned for pinching and creating a seamless loop. These are shiny, well made, and plenty. Number 1. Tupalizy Gold Key Chain Ring, 20 PCS. These key rings are made of sturdy metal with plating on the surface. They are lightweight and won't rust easily. This makes them perfect for everyday use. With an outside diameter of 1 inch and an inside diameter of 0.8 inches, it's the perfect size for various applications. It's great for connecting clasps and charms. This is great for organizing your keys and decorating your gadgets. It's easy and convenient to carry around, keeping everything in order. These keyrings are perfect for key organization, pet name tags, and other DIY craft projects. It's a versatile tool for all your creative needs. It's also great for offices with lots of locks and real estate agents. This helps them keep track of keys efficiently. What we like. Made of sturdy metal, it's built to last. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. If you need a simple, reliable solution for organizing keys, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anyone who values practicality and ease of use. What people say. Really nice antique brass finish and nice flat split ring design. Good product. They are very sturdy and the perfect size for making my handbag charms. These look great on my projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.